This is Crossroads Media. From ideas that spark change to stories which inspire growth, we'll uncover what lies ahead and shape the future together. Welcome to What's Next with Jovit Moya. So mga kaibigan, marami rin pressures ang kabataan. Napakagrabe yan. Nandyan yung kailangan na lagi kang cute, lagi kang gwapo, laging feeling mo, napapansin ka, kailangan laging ikaw ang center of attraction. Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ako mag-isip. Pero mga kaibigan, nung araw kasi, iba ang social pressure na yun eh. May peer pressure. Pero buti na lang, hindi tayo nagpapadala sa peer pressure. I really had one mentality in mind. Kung hindi ikaw ang nagbabayad ng kuryente ko, hindi ikaw ang nagpapakain sa akin, hindi ikaw nagbibigay ng gasolina ng kotse ko, walang saysay, wala kang say sa buhay ko. In short, your opinion of me doesn't matter. Basta malinis ang konsyensya ko, hindi ako nanggagago ng ibang tao, hindi tayo nanloloko ng ibang tao, and we get to serve the community. Yun lang, sapat na. Everything else, ang concentration ko, how to have a good time. Dahil sa buhay, napakaiksi. Kailangan alam din natin itong enjoyin. Mauubos ang enjoyment natin kung lagi nating iniisip ko anong sinasabi ng ibang tao, no? So kung ikaw ay you are a person in your 20s, you're worried about what other people will say, don't worry. Be the master of your own life. 'Di ba? Take your life to whatever height, whatever low, whatever medium you decide. Ultimately, it will be you and you alone that will set the parameters of what you will and will not do, regardless of the age. Diba? Whether you're 18, you're 28, you're 38, or even if you're 78, it is you and you alone that will set the parameters of what you will and will not do. What will and will not make you happy. So choose to be happy. Choose to be adventurous. Choose to be free, my dear friends. Yan ang kagandahan ng being able to balance yung ating mga obligasyon sa buhay at yung ating obligasyon sa sarili natin. Bakit? Kasi nung bata tayo, ang daming pressure. Oy, mag-aral ka. Oy, kailangan. Tapos andyan pa yung jowa mo, di ba? Feeling mo, yun na yun. May forever. Pero habang nagtatagal, dun mo marirealize, wala palang forever. Kanya-kanya tayo ng kanya-kanya tayo ng direksyon sa love life. Pero kasama rin yun sa mga pressures nung bata tayo, di ba? And marami pa rin iba dahil nung bata tayo, feeling natin, kaya na nating mamuhay, di ba, ng sarili natin. Which is, in many cases naman, totoo. Diba? Dahil sa ibang bansa, 18 pa lang, pinalalayas na ng bahay. Ang mga Pilipino kasi, tayo, mahilig tayo sa kamag-anak incorporated. Kaya sometimes, lumalaki yung mga kasamahan natin, mga kaibigan natin, mahihina ang loob dahil kailangan nakaasa sa pamilya. Yan, mga kaibigan, ang isang rason kung bakit napakahirap ng Pilipinas. Kasi nandun tayo sa asa-asa mentality. Isa lang po ang asahan natin sa buhay, sarili natin. Isa lang po ang paniwalaan natin sa buhay, yung sarili nating konsyensya. Yung gumawa ng mabuti, yung kailangan masaya tayo at wala tayong sinasaktang ibang tao. Yun lang po ang katotohanan ng buhay, and you're free to do everything you want in life. Explore your world. Napakaiksi ng buhay para tumira tayo sa loob ng isang hawla, mga kaibigan. Habang bata ka, habang teenager ka, or habang nasa 20s ka, explore your world. Make mistakes. Cry. Get angry. Mga kaibigan, these are the things that will make you a better person eventually. Diba? And always trust the timing of your life. Things will come to you slowly. Things will come to you when they come to you. Some things may never come to you. But that is life. That's the lot of life. Walang assurance sa buhay. Isa lang po ang assurance sa buhay na natin. Mamamatay tayong lahat eventually. So you might as well make the most of every second that you are alive. So mga kaibigan, comparing the version of me today versus the the version of me when I was in my 20s, I'd say I am more relaxed now. Siyempre dati mahilig tayo sa aksyon. Pag may naisip tayo, kailangan gawin na natin right now. Dumating na yung puntos na pag may naisip ako, talagang pinag-iisipan at pinag-iisipan at pinag-iisipan ng muli. No? At hindi na yung impulsive. Pero ang isang hindi nagbago, is the pursuit of happiness. I am still a hedonist inside my heart, and I will always be a hedonist. Happiness is very important, my dear friends, but you can find happiness everywhere. It's just a matter of opening your eyes, regardless of what age group you're in. Life is full of simple pleasures. So, yan ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na alam mo, marami tayong pwedeng gawin sa buhay. Yes, maraming stress sa buhay. Yes, maraming pressure sa buhay kung kabata ka. Pero marami rin pwedeng i-enjoy, hindi ba? And never, ever lose that youth. Ako, kahit tumatanda katawan ko, yung utak ko, bata pa rin. Nag-i-enjoy pa rin ako ng same things na kina-enjoy ako nung bata ko. Except siguro, hindi na ako nalalasing. Hindi ko na kaya magkaroon ng hangover. No? So, other than that, I still enjoy lakwatsa. I still enjoy pagpupuyat. Alam mo, all those other things. And syempre, masarap pa rin talaga yung may barkadahan, di ba, mga kaibigan? Human beings are social creatures. So, kahit na sabihin mong may pagka-introvert ka or gusto mo maging mag-isa, yes, kailangan natin din ng me time. Pero we are social creatures, so enjoy the company of your friends. Enjoy the company of your relatives if you're close to them. Enjoy the company of human beings. Di ba? And never, ever, ever fail to do good, regardless of how old you are, mga kaibigan. Yan lang po. Gusto nyo mabago yung mundo, you want to contribute a little bit to our world, our society, simple lang yan. Every day, do a good deed. Diba? Umpisahan mo. Kung nakikinig ka at ikaw ay in your 20s, umpisahan mo sa edad mo na yan. Do it. Diba? Every day, make it a point to do something good for a fellow human being. And ang karabas nun, magiging masaya ka. You'll be surprised how happy you are inside.
This is Crossroads Media.